Thank you very much. Questions about your pets today? It's our Ask the Pet Doctor segment, and Dr. Jerome Williams here today from the Red Mountain Animal Clinic, along with Jillian, who allows him to take your phone calls.
Absolutely.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Good. We have our first caller on the line. I believe it's James.
Hi, James. Are you there? Mandy?
Okay, I'm sorry, Suzanne. I thought you said James was first. Let's go to Mandy. Mandy's in Leeds. Hi, Mandy.
Hi.
What's your question?
I was calling. My cat has an upper respiratory infection. My other cat got picked up by animal control, and I went and picked her up, and when I brought her home, she got the rest of the cat sick. Well, all of them got better except one, and he's been on a few rounds of different antibiotics, and nothing seems to help him. Is there anything else I can do? Maybe a different vet?
Yeah. One of the things we are seeing with animals that are in those situations is chlamydia virus and or herpes. And it can be difficult to treat.
Wow.
You're going to have to use we had our best results with clarithromycin as the antibiotic, but you may have to go with the herpes drug as well. But it can be difficult to treat, and once it gets in a colony or a household, it can be difficult to get rid of.
How does she know that's what that is, though? Is that just assertion that you're seeing a lot of it?
I'm seeing a lot of it, especially coming out of the kind of environment where her other cat was taken.
Okay. So follow up with her vet?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
And you got to stay with it. It may take several weeks to be successful.
And you know, she mentioned if you ever get uncomfortable with your vet, you always can see another one.
Exactly.
So you don't feel like you're getting the treatment that you need. So good luck with that. Let's move to James. He is in Concord. Hi, James.
Hey.
Hey, what's your question?
I have a cat that acts like it wants to cough up a fur ball maybe a couple of times a day, but it doesn't do it.
You may in fact have hairballs. My cat spits up or coughs up hairballs regularly, and I give him a lubricant. Laxatone is the brand that I use 2 or 3 times a day.
So does it help it cough it up?
Yes.
So it's not unusual for
it's not unusual
for it not to come up.
Right, and it's a petroleum jelly base, and if the cat grooms a lot, then you're going to have more cases of hairballs.
So what's
it's a
it called?
long hair cat. Any kind of a lubricant like Laxatone is the brand, one of the brands, but you can get that at your veterinarian or at a pet store.
Okay. Does that help out? You want to try that?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good luck. Let's go to Eloise. She's in McCalla. Eloise, good morning.
Good morning.
What's your question?
I have a Shih Tzu, and he's about 7 years old, and he keeps ear infections. And every time you go to the vet, it's $100 and some. Is there anything home remedy that I can with like Crush Up or Zyrtex? Is there anything that I can with like I take to help?
Well, if you got a chronic recurring infection, the thing to do is do a culture and sensitivity to find out what is causing that infection. Then you can treat it directly and more successfully. The other thing that happens with ear infections or the appearance of ear infections is many times they're allergies. They're food allergies. You had it with the buddy. So allergy needs to be ruled out as the cause of it. And the allergy association is usually the ears, the feet, and the rears, where they're bothered by those 3 areas.
Now, you did the test on my dog. I guess how expensive is it? Because
to do the culture sensitivity?
Yeah, I forget what it was then, but I guess if you go ahead and pay for that, then maybe you're taking care of having to take them back constantly, right?
And you know what antibiotics to use. You won't be guessing at what drug is going to be most effective.
Okay, so is it very expensive for her to have that test done?
No.
Okay, so
not much more than what she's paying for an office call.
Right. Okay. Well, good luck, and maybe you can find out if it is an allergy and can help that out.
Exactly.
All right, let's go to Tiffany from Kimberly. Tiffany, good morning.
You there, Tiffany?
Oh, yes.
Hey.
Good morning.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I have a Chihuahua Feist mix that's just a little over a year old that has a lot of anxiety problems.
Oh.
Yeah, and also having problems potty training her to go outside.
Wow. Sound like some of that may be insecurity problems. You might want to work with a behaviorist that might be able to give you some ideas to reduce some of those anxieties, and it may also be associated with you getting a potty trained. So if you want to call my office, and I'll give you the number of a behaviorist that may be able to help you.
I do appreciate that.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Red Mountain Animal Clinic, Dr. Jerome Williams. Thank you, sir.
It's always good to be here.
Thanks, Jillian. You were a little standoffish today. All right, live music from the Shade.